We'll guide you through how to fix apps not showing in the Google Play Store. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem, so we're going to guide you through how you can go and try fixing this, because otherwise you aren't able to go and get them. So make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. To get started, let's come into the Play Store like so. Perhaps you tried searching for it and it's not showing up. The first thing you can try doing is pressing your profile icon in the top right. Next, scroll down and you want to go and find the option for settings and tap there. In here, go and find family. Scroll down, find parental controls. What may be the case is that the parental controls are preventing it from showing up, so you can go and switch these off. Of course, if you didn't set these up, you have to get the person who did to go and enter in the PIN, or even just go and adjust the age here as well. Now that that's been turned off, try searching for it and hopefully now it will go and show up. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is pressing your profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and find the option for settings. Come into about, scroll down, find update Play Store. Tap there and press understood. And then hopefully it'll go and do an update and that may go and solve the problem. If that solves it, then great. If it doesn't, come out of it. Swipe up and find the option for settings or search for settings at the top. Scroll down in here and go and find apps. You can press search in the top right and type in Play Store. You can go and tap on it. Press force stop in the bottom right and press OK. Come to storage and press clear cache and then clear data as well. Now come back and hopefully now it will go and show up. Hopefully now it will go and be showing up.